Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing happiness and why you should find it.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.
If you are new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower women to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoy the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so that way it can reach more people. Excuse the talking in the background, sorry. We're getting our washer fixed. Recently, I spoke with my client and she was telling me how, and she's not the first person I've heard this from, but she was telling me how she feels like every time things are going well for her and she's like happy and everything like that things go wrong. So that's why she's scared to even like try to be happy and just be good. I said to her, do you feel that you actually being happy and being in a good space allows you to better deal with whatever situation it is that pops up that you feel like just brings you down? And she was like, I never really thought of it like that. And that's the thing. You may feel that, oh, I'm happy, I'm working on myself, things should just be going right. And it's like, no, it doesn't work that way. Things in life are going to happen. You need to accept that. It's inevitable. Things are going to happen. Not everything's going to go your way. A lot of things are not going to go your way. And that's just where you figure out how to overcome the obstacle and not let it hold you back. If you think about it, and I made a post on this topic today on Facebook and Instagram, but if you think about it, when things aren't going well for you, when you're not feeling so great, things are still happening, right? Obstacles are still coming up, right? And then it's extremely hard to overcome those obstacles because it's just like feels like it's pushing you down more and more and more. And that's why I'm saying that you should work on dealing with things better, because things are going to happen. You can't let that stop you from being happy. And when you're happy and enjoying life and you feel like something pops up and is making you take a few steps back, you have two options. You can either allow yourself to take those few steps back and feel down, or you can allow yourself to take those few steps back and be like, okay, learn from it, overcome it, and move forward. And sometimes you may just be thinking of it as, oh, it's making me take a few steps back. No, it's just a test. It's a test to see if you are going to let this obstacle stop you from getting to where you want to be. So, are you going to allow it to stop you from getting to the person you want to be, to achieving the things you want to achieve? Or are you going to use this as a lesson and continue to move forward and understand that this is just something that you're going to have to get through? Ask yourself this and really think on it. And I hope that you choose to allow yourself to learn and still continue to move forward, and don't get down on yourself just because something happened. Something is always going to happen. If you keep using that excuse, you're never going to get where you want to be. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. I upload Monday through Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time, so stay tuned for the next video. And also stick around for the recommended videos after. I hope that you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for your support. If you are someone who is looking to believe in themselves more and let go of your limiting beliefs and start taking action on the life that you want and need, hit the link in the description below so that way you can book your free connection call with me and we can discuss possibly working together, so that way you can believe in yourself and overcome any obstacles that you are currently going through and what you'll go through in the future. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Ego, I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.